What happened, sir?
Okay, okay.
Hello?
Hello, yeah? Yeah, hello.
Yeah, what happened, sir?
No, what happened? Mean what? Nothing.
The link got disconnected. How long it's been? Because he was not telling me when I saw my message only.
No, no, no. Actually, this is a case, Zoom is giving only 35 minutes. I mean, that's why I sent him a new link. New link, actually. Zoom is giving 35 minutes only. If you don't, it will get out automatically cut off. That's why I given in new link. Okay. If you want continuation, do you know how to handle Skype? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Zoom is giving only 35 minutes timing. It get cut off. So again, I
No,
have
it
to.
gives more than 1 hour also.
No, it's not. It's automatically showing here. Time is up. That's why it's giving. It's cut off actually. Or if you want to continue, we can use Skype. It will continue. Okay.
Yeah,
Hello. If you want continuation, there is no stoppage. You can use Skype. Zoom is giving only 35 minutes to us. If you pay, yeah, this is a premium. If you pay, then it will continue. We are using free, no? Hello, following.
understood, understood.
Yeah, that's an idea.
Then
See,
you can use the Google Meet also.
Google Meet, I
Skype
don't.
also, Google Meet. Huh?
Google Meet also. Google Meet give trouble. Okay, if you can use Skype straight away, it will come. Just a ring, you can pick up. There's no need of
Okay,
first
now you
time.
can talk to Prince. You can teach him.
Okay, no problem. This is Zoom is in the middle. It get cut off because
Whenever it get connected, you just come to me, Prince. Because I was not with him, he was just playing.
okay, okay,
When I
don't.
saw my WhatsApp, yeah, when I
No,
saw my WhatsApp message, then only I came inside.
no, no problem, no problem. I'll tell him. I'll tell
I
him.
was feeding my other baby.
No, this is actually a boy, So you just try to explain. Just I'll explain him. No problem. This is a timing.
Okay, okay, okay. That's it, Prince.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Actually, Zoom is giving only half an hour time. That's why it get cut off. Okay. Next, once it cut off, I will give new link to you. Then you can join. Okay. New
Okay,
link.
sir.
That's an idea. Don't worry about it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Okay. It will take maximum. It will take. I have to connect. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. I take 5 minutes in the middle. So I will give new link again. You can join. You know how to join, no?
Yes, sir.
That's an idea. Don't worry. Okay. You know how to do Skype?
No, sir.
No, we'll do Zoom only. No problem. So we'll continue. We'll continue our lesson. Okay. We'll continue our lessons.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Don't worry.
Okay, sir.
So here, that's what we learn here. For example, same thing. I'll tell you. And what this name of this letter is called. Okay. Okay. Just a minute. Name of this letter. This name is called. Actually, the name of this letter is called B. So I repeat once again, so it will be much clear to you. And if you put a stroke above, it become a ba.
Ba.
Ba. And name of this letter is te. If you put stroke
Te.
above, it will become a ta.
Ta.
Okay, ta. And name of this letter is se. Actual name, but we want a ah sound. If you put, it become a sa. Sound become a sa. Ba ta sa. Then
Sa.
yeah, this name of this letter is jim. Name of the letter is name is a jim, but we want a ah sound. It will become a ja. Likewise, all the letters will go. Now, this stroke name of this stroke is called stroke is called fatah. Say no.
Ta.
Fatah. Name of this
Ta.
letter, yeah, name of this letter is called, that's called, what's this? Fatah. This
Ta.
actually, Fatah. This is actually, it is called one of the vowel. Not English, English is A-E-I-O-U. Here the strokes separate. Fatah. This is called short vowel. This is called short. One of the short vowel. Hmm. This one of the short vowel. This is called fatha. Fatha will give always a sound. Okay. Fatha will give always a, a sound.
Sound.
Okay. Fatha will always good. There is now same thing. I am taking one more. See here. Same bay. I'm making bigger to see it. Tell you. Bigger. And there is a one more stroke is there is a, so far we have seen the stroke above. Now you can see below. Can you see the stroke below now?
Yes, sir.
No, it will give the sound of not anymore ah. It will give the sound of e. E.
B.
That become a b. Yes, you are right. It become a b. Now this is a actual name is te. It become a t.
A.
Ah,
T.
this is a say. Become a c. Okay.
C.
Okay. This is a name of this letter is called Jim, but you will give down. It become a G. Okay. G. B T C G. This is a this is called this is a actual name of the letter is Hai. It become a he. He. See he. E sound giving. And this is name of this letter is Hai. There is a down. It will become a he. It will be he. Then this is a dal with the down. It become a D. D sound. And this is a zal. Down. There is a stone. Become a Z. Z. Dal, zal. And this is a re. It become a re. It will become a re. So same thing. Re. And name of this vowel is called. Just a minute. Name of this vowel is called. Just a minute. Alt shift. Called kasra. Kasra.
Kasra.
It will give e sound. This is also one of the short vowel. This is also one of the short vowel. It will give. It will give e. That is a e sound. It will give e sound. This is also one of the short vowels. This will give e sound. And there is a one more vowel that is called same thing. Control shift. Okay. Same bay here. See, the actual name of this letter is bay. And there is a one more stroke is coming. Can you see new comma like structure?
Yes, sir.
It will give oo sound. Now it will become a boo. Boo. It will become a boo. And this is it become a tu. And it will become a su. And it will become a ju. This is a who. And this is a who. Do. And this is a okay. This is a zoo. Now you're getting oo sound. This is also one of the short vowel. Name of this vowel is called Dhamma. Say no.
Ha.
Dhamma. It will give oo sound. It will give oo sound. Dhamma. 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 So Fatha will give a sound. That is ba, ta, sa, ja, something like this. Then same Kasra will give B, T, C, G, he, something like this. And this is called Dhamma will give oo sound. That is, it will give oo sound. That is bu, tu, su, ju, hu, du, zu, something like this. So same thing is here. This is a fatha. Okay. This is a fatha part. We have seen this fatha part. That is a, ba, ta, sa, ja, ha, kha, da, za, something like this. This is called. You can see the title fatha here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this whole name is called fatha. It will even you can see in English also. A, ba, ta, sa, ja, ha, kha, da, za, ra, za, sa, sha, swa, zwa, same thing. A sound with the fatha short vowel. And next one. Here you can see kasra. It will give E sound.
Kasra.
You can see E, B, T, C, G, He, D, Z, Re, Z, C, She, Swe. See, you need to just follow this one. Okay. This is called kasra, E sound. This you that will give the sound, different sound, short vowels. And here you can see title. You can see Dhamma is there.
Yes, sir.
So it will give oo sound. You can see oo, boo, tu,
Ooh.
su, ju, hu, hu, du, zu, ru, zu. See, this is a practice actually. Okay, this is a practice here. But you must recognize what bay. If it is with the boo means you must know what is. You must. It will come. It should come to your mind. What is boo? What is the name of the boo? Actual name, that is a bay. If I add this one, it will become a boo. So, so this is what are the names of the short vowels? Tell me now.
Za, ra, za, dal,
Hmm.
dal,
Hmm.
ha, ha, ja.
No, no, no. I'm not asking this one. I am asking you what is the name of the sounding vowel. See the title. See the title. What is the name of that? Fata. Fata. Say now. Hello. 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 Germany. Yeah. I don't know what happened. Okay. Students, even students, even US, even Canada. Okay, anyway, I'm today's lesson. I'm sending all the 30 this one. Let him practice, please. Let him practice this one. I am sending this one. This is very important. This is based on only the language progress. So, okay, we'll meet in next class. Thank you very much. Shukran. Masalam.